Hey guys, it's Yandi with Bullish Builds, and today we're gonna look over ticker symbol SPY. So the S&P 500. Is it gonna collapse? Is it gonna run? We will take a look at that, and I'll do my analysis for the night. All right, guys. So before we start with that, just wanted to let you guys know we did an amazing trading week in my private Discord community. It is free to join. You always have the chance to upgrade. I'm going to have the link in the description below. There's a lot of free resources you can use by itself, but if you choose to upgrade, we do alerts as well. This week alone, we did over 500% in just call outs. Here's the weekly recap. You see we got the Google swing 125%. I mean, we also had a big call out of 45% profit, 36, 90%, and Pete with the 100% on the SPY swing. All right. We mostly do trade SPY, and that's why we're going to analyze this today. Other than that, that's going to be in the description. Let's get into the SPY. All right, guys. So we're going to go over TradingView. I have my own way I set up my TradingView, so this is just how it looks. Looks might be looking a little different than yours, okay? So what are we gonna do here? The first thing I like to do with SPY is look at the big picture, okay? I open the daily, okay? We're looking at the daily of SPY. You see we have this slight uptrend on the daily, okay? And to be honest with you, is it going to collapse? Are we going to hit into a massive recession? Well, we are in such a critical point for so it's going to be determined in the next couple weeks. And the reason is we're coming close to this major resistance, okay? But the good news is on the daily, it looks like it has broken through. We need it to stay here though. This needs to start coming back up. We need to start seeing 415 again, 416 into the 420 range, okay? It's looking decent right now. So on the daily, it looks like it's basically breaking through our resistance, which is what we want, okay? If this falls back down and it becomes weaker, then we're pretty much collapsing all the way back down to at least in the 393s, 392s, okay? We have to maintain this area right here. And we're in such a critical spot for this next coming week, okay, guys? Now let's look at it closer. We got the daily. Let's go back on the 4-hour chart, okay? 4-hour chart, we can open up the chart a little bit more in detail here, and you can see we broke through, and this 415 416 range is just so strong. It has been just pretty much rejecting that instantly, okay? We got this massive little pullback, which is nice. This is the confirmation right now. We are at the confirmation. We need this. We need SPY to. This was a perfect dip. This is a dip that was expected. We just need it to hold. It cannot start breaking this 411 and start closing under 411. That is not what we want. We want it at the 412, which it did great today. It was close, but it did close above it. What are we going to look at for next week? We're going to see if this is going to close above 412. That's what we're looking for. If it starts closing under this, like 411, even 408, if we start seeing this pull back to 408, it is rejecting and we are pretty much collapsing at that point, in my opinion. So we are at a very critical standpoint right now, and we need to know what's going to happen this coming week, okay? This pullback is necessary. We'll see what Monday looks like. Whatever Monday looks like, even if it pulls back to 408, right? If it closes back up at 412, it's okay. It's fine. Doesn't even matter if it pulled back that hard. Even though it could fill the wick, it's still kind of bad news, but at least it recovered really strong at this level. The idea right now is for this to actually open up green on Monday and to even see 416 again, or even 420, 418. Okay, that's the goal for the next coming week. I'm thinking we're breaking through. I'm looking bullish on this breakthrough, but we are at a very critical point in the market right now. Okay, when we look up closer time frames, today was an interesting day in the market because it reached all the way back to the 410, but it did reject it immediately. Okay, this to me is kind of scary. I'm glad it bounced back up, but I thought it would be bouncing a little bit more. Be honest with you, okay, guys? We need this to stay above 412. Realistically, we need this to come back up. If this comes back down to 410 again and does not end up breaking this 412 again level, we're looking at a massive downfall. I mean, massive downfall. We're looking at a, for sure, massive collapse of the economy at that point. We're looking at a recession. That would be terrible. So we're hoping for it to bounce up from here back up, guys. So if you're shorting the market below this 410, 411 situation right here is beautiful. If you wanted to get inputs after 410, and if you're going bullish on the market here, you're looking at past 412, breaking up this 413, and we're moving up from there. All right, 415 is a strong one. If we need to break that though, we're gonna need to break it for it to actually matter. All right, need to break that 415. From there, we're actually going to at least 420, and then possibly up from there to 430 and then above. That's what we need. You basically need this to jump up past 430 for this to be on a bull run again. All right, and get new highs. Hope you guys enjoy the analysis there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate you.